The future rewards clarity, not just effort. There's a point where you believe working harder solves everything. If something isn't working, the instinct is to put in more time, energy, and focus. Stay longer, push further. Effort is visible, measurable. You can say you tried. But then, more effort doesn't always bring better results. That's when it starts to feel confusing. You're doing more, but nothing moves forward as expected. If effort is increasing, why isn't progress matching it? Effort feels like the right answer because you control it. It feels fair. Work harder, get better results. But that only works if effort is applied in the right direction. Like studying for hours, reading, reviewing. It feels like progress, but then applying it doesn't come together. That's when it's obvious. Effort alone isn't enough. Clarity is different from effort. It's not about how much you do, but how clearly you understand what and why. Actions become focused. You're doing the right things. Lack of clarity leads to more effort, compensating with more approaches. But without clarity, that effort gets spread out. It doesn't concentrate on what actually matters. Clarity changes how effort is used. Instead of increasing amount, it increases accuracy. You see which actions move things forward, reducing unnecessary work. At first, clarity feels slower. You spend more time thinking, questioning, adjusting. Why does thinking feel less productive than doing, even when it leads to better results? When clarity improves, the difference is noticeable. You're not as scattered. Actions feel more direct. Doing less overall, but results are better. As tasks become complex, effort alone is less valuable. What stands out is precision. That's where clarity becomes more important. A small realization changes perspective. Being busy is not the same as being effective. You can do a lot and still not move forward. That realization doesn't reduce effort. It changes how you apply it. Pushing is about force. Understanding is about direction. Effort without clarity is pushing. Clarity gives that effort a path. Without it, you keep moving, but not necessarily towards something meaningful. Effort is visible. Clarity is not. That's why effort gets more attention. You can show how hard you're working. Clarity is internal. It shows up in results, not in the process. The future doesn't ignore effort, but it doesn't reward it on its own. What matters more is how that effort is directed. Clarity turns effort into progress. Without it, effort just becomes activity. Once you see that difference, it becomes harder to rely on working harder as the only answer. Thanks for watching.